Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I will be unboxing the Masters Brush Cleaner and Preserver. So I picked this up recently and I wanted to try out whether it really will help me to keep my brush clean and increase its life. So this is about, in Indian rupees, I picked it up for 1000 and it has about 2.5 O's, which is like 74 grams. So let's see how this works. So it says over here that it is good for oil paints, watercolors, acrylic stains. So I've got like a few brushes that I want to test out and see if it will help them. So this is one of my brush which has got some stains, and this is how the original color was. So now, because of all of the paints that I've been using, I use predominantly watercolors, acrylics, and also gouache. This particular brush has been used only for watercolors and gouache so far. So let's try out and see how it is. So if you open it, this is how it is inside. It's like a very cakey thing. It doesn't create anything which is coming out. So I'm going to just dip my brush in a little bit of water and let's test it. Oh, this is amazing. Can you see how the color is coming out of the brush? This is awesome. So sometimes it's very important to remove the stain from your brush, because what will happen is you'll not really know if it is a permanent stain or it's just a small stain which is there, and then it'll seep into the other colors that you're mixing and it could ruin your painting. And also creates problems for the bristles. This is so good. I'm glad I bought this. So I think it'll take a few washes, or basically I'm going to just keep rubbing this till the green color starts, like comes on here. It's like a soap, I think. Yep. All right, so I think there's no more green color which is coming out, so this is pretty good. So this is how you use this particular brush cleaner. I'm going to try it out on one or two more brushes, and then we'll see if it helps me to clean those. So here's another one which has some stains. Dipping that in water, bringing it here, and some very little color is coming out, but it does help to remove those excess stains which are there. So if you are somebody who does a lot of painting and who's not able to do a lot of brush care, I think this is a wonderful buy, because you can see the colors here. Wow. So I do take care of my brushes really well, because it's my job. So I take care of my materials really well, but I'm quite amazed at how much of stain is still there in this. So I think it's a really good buy. So one area where our stains stay, or the color stain, is towards the tip over here. So that's actually at the edge. I shouldn't say tip, then we'll think of this. Towards the bottom part. So that's where a lot of like colors would just go and stay. And even if you like try to wash it, you can't put too much of soap on your brushes. It will help, it will probably just damage the bristles a lot. So that's something which is not very highly recommended. So I think since this is an approved one, so how you find out whether it's approved is there'll be a small mark at the bottom which is called as AP. It's called as the Art and Creative Materials Institute certified. So I find that a lot of art materials which are certified by them, art supplies or these miscellaneous items, are pretty good. So like this brush is constantly leaving out colors. So I think this will take quite a while for me, maybe 3 or 4 more times to ensure that it's completely clean. So this is my review of the Masters Brush Cleaner, which I am very happy that I got. I absolutely love the packaging. It is so retro, vintage, and I'm really excited to wash all my brushes with it. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope this was helpful for you. And if you're new over here, do consider subscribing to my channel. There are a lot of art related tutorials that I put up. Thank you.